Welcome to 3D animation course of SufiVoice.com. Lesson 6 Voice Synchronization. In today's session, we'll learn how to add sound to the animation. So in the last session, we had seen how to make the character walk and perform an action. So after performing the action, what we'll do is now we'll make the character talk. Okay, so in order to make the character talk, we need to do it in through two steps. First, we need to give the audio to the character to talk, and the second thing is we need to do the lip synchronization. Lip synchronization means if the odd character is talking and it's not able, there is no lip movement, so it doesn't look natural. In order to make it more natural, it's important to do lip synchronization. So adding audio to a character happens in two steps. First, we'll prepare and we'll give the audio to the character, set the audio to the character, then we'll do the lip synchronization. Okay, so let's get started. So as I told you, first we'll pick up the character, then go to prepare, or you can select prepare from the default key also. Okay, so either ways it's fine. So you first go to prepare, go to and select audio. Now here you see that there's no audio related to this character. So we can do it in two ways. Either you can record it in the software itself, or you can import an already recorded file. I'll show you both the ways. So first what we'll do is we'll try to record. So we'll create new, and this is a new record. So it is empty. It has no voice in it. So voice has to be recorded. So we'll click on edit. Now, after clicking on edit, okay, you have two options here. Import means if narration, you can import the narration. If you don't have a narration, you want to record it, then what you need to do is click on this record button. So once you click on this record button, it gives you a provision to record your voice. So this red button, when you press, it will start recording. Okay, and when you press this black button, it stops recording. Okay, so let me show you by recording here. So welcome to SufiVoice.com. Right. Now, my voice has been recorded. You can listen to this voice again here. See, play this button. Welcome to SufiVoice.com. Yeah. Now, if the voice is okay, if you're satisfied with us, you click on OK button and you go with OK. Right. Press on OK. Now, we had created the voice. After creating the voice, I need to synchronize the voice. So again, go to prepare. In prepare, select dialogue. Now, which character it is? It is Patrick. Now, lip synchronization is not done. So it has to be synchronized to what? To the audio file, which I have just created. So that audio file was unnamed. Okay, just select this audio and your lip synchronization is done. Now let us check how our animation uh, has till this part, how the animation goes. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll a little bit. Okay, so, okay. Now here you see the audio file. Where do we want this? We want this audio to be uh, after the person has waved the hand. We don't want this audio to be played uh, before the person waves the hand. So you need to set this a little carefully. So yeah, so we'll bring it here. So first the person will wave his hand, and then if you want you can slightly, okay, once he has waved this hand, then he needs to start talking, not before that. Okay, so if you do this now, let us see how it is going to work out. We'll take it to the beginning. Okay, he starts walking now. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, let him return to the main point where he is supposed to. Welcome to SufiVoice.com. Done. Okay, so this was through the recording. Okay, now we'll do it the other way. So to add an import file to it, so first we'll delete this. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll go to prepare. Okay, select audio. Okay, then remove this delete. So add new, click on edit. Now you already, let us say narrated audio file is already with you. So click on import, go to desktop. My file is stored on a desktop, so I have reached a desktop. Wherever you have stored your audio file, go to that destination place. So here I have stored my file in narration. So I'll click narration and I'll press open. Okay, now see the file has got added. Okay, so click on OK. Right, now my file is added. Right, so I have the audio file with me now. Next thing I need to do is go to dialog and here select the audio file. Okay, now once you have selected the audio file, again go to timeline to adjust, okay, the location where the audio file is. Okay, I don't want the narration to start immediately in the beginning. I want it after the person has waved, so I will keep it here. Okay, now let us check how our presentation looks like, or how our movie looks like. Okay, so here what you do is you need to, yeah, we need to bring back. Okay, so a little bit we need to adjust this, otherwise our audio gets uh, your audio will not play full. Okay, so we want the full audio, right? So bring it back. Welcome to SufiVoice.com, a unique platform to acquire new skills. Right. So that's it. So with this, we are done with the steps involved to add sound to an animation. So not only one character, you can add sounds to more than one character in an animation. Okay, so to add more voice, or uh, what do you say, uh, add more conversations. Okay, so what we need to do is already we had added this thing, right? So we'll take another character. Okay. Okay, we'll take another character, and we'll say we'll insert that character. Okay, so yeah, this. Okay, fine. We'll try to modify it. So we got a new character. We'll edit it. His hairstyle is not that good, so we'll change his hairstyle. Okay, so we'll make him yeah, something of that kind, or I think this one will be fine. Okay, so yeah, so what we'll do is we'll keep this person here, and so once Patrick has completed his conversation, this person should say something, right? So what we'll do is we can add, we'll add a conversation to this person. Okay, to add a conversation, go to audio. Okay, here again, one default one is there. So click a new one. Okay, new conversation. Then click on edit. Okay, so before you do that, yeah, we are preparing an audio, so it's not a big deal. So what you will do is you record it. We'll say something like, okay, okay, that's really great. So let's check it out. That's really great. So we'll add this sound. Okay, now we have prepared the audio. We need to sync this audio to this person, so to Neil. So we'll select Neil first, then we'll go to dialogue, and we'll select the unnamed one. Okay, now let us see how things work out. Now you have two dialogues, so we need the dialogue of Neil. So when Neil should say the dialogue after Patrick has completed his dialogue, then Neil should talk about, not before Patrick. Okay, so we'll keep it somewhere here. Yeah. Uh, Now let's see how the animation works out. That's really great. Okay, I'm sorry. I have placed the header in Neil's place. Okay, now let us see how it works out. Welcome to SufiVoice.com, a unique platform to acquire new skills. That's really great. Okay, so that's how you can add voice to the characters. Okay, sky is the limit. The more and more you practice, the more and more you will become comfortable in the application part of the various techniques, various tools that you use in 3D animation. The key thing here is more try to spend more time practicing this exercise as many times as possible. So that's the only way to master it. Okay. Welcome to SufiVoice.com, a unique platform to acquire new skills. That's really great. In today's session, we had looked at how we can add a voice to a character, and we had also looked at the various steps of adding the voice, that is, recording a voice or adding a voice from a pre recorded file. We had also looked at how uh, you can do lip synchronization in a 3D animation software.